Uzzies, what's up, man? It's your boy using Dully, aka. But I'm not even like, I don't even want to do the whole thing, bro. Like it's crazy, but like, let me get in that. Like, oh wait, this is better. Like, it's actually crazy, bro. So like, yo, it's crazy. This is the vlog to Joburg thing. We're looking for a place to actually go book. As you can see, we're looking for a place to book, and then hey, don't worry, my skin's bad because like I'm being stressed, you know, and I'm out of products and shit. But we're looking for a place to book right now. I'm not gonna disclose the location actually. I don't want to do that. But where we're booking is for today and tomorrow. And then 7 p.m. we're taking our bus to Joburg. Grey hunting, baby. And as you can see, our stuff is here. A quick promo. Get your Luna Esteban boots right now. Website down in the description. Yeah, website down in the description. And you can get your. I'll put everything like right here, for sure. By the time you see this vlog, like I'll be long into Joburg, maybe, I'm not sure. But yeah, it's crazy. It's actually crazy. It's actually crazy what's going on right now. Therese is still inside. Or as I say, Kuzi, SOS Kuzi is still inside. Talking to the guys. Probably they'll say cash. We don't know. Hopefully they will take cash because this is our stock right now. But yeah,
The mic cancels tomorrow is way out for money. We're trying to get stuff somewhere else. They couldn't.
This is crazy. This is crazy.
Brand new SRT, yeah, brand new with a beat. Hello, we cool and a shot. Every time you hear, I text you when I'm up the road about the flow. Wish I could tell you that I love you, but I don't. Better off alone.
Cozy vibes in it. Still chilling. So
We can arrange a stay with me
for a week.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Need that.
Daughter.
How much is this again?
200. We're going to Joburg. You know, on the way to Joburg with no place to stay. You actually got pearls, nigga.
Yeah. Shout out Hanzo, I stole them from him.
So we are at, what's the stop called?
Dog, I don't know nothing, bro. I don't know.
No, I remember it. I just don't remember it.
I don't know nothing.
Let's never rizz up, bro.
Raise up what? In.
So we did something the boys RSA couldn't do. We took a whole Uber, a whole damn Uber to Joburg. Yeah, Reggie couldn't do that.
Why are you causing unnecessary beef for yourself?
Not beef. I'm just saying that they couldn't do it.
No.
It was like there's like 6 of them. They couldn't do it. A whole fucking Uber. Where are you? You always get free cars. What the?
Why? Just why? Like, why?
So we're gonna get in contact with those bros,
Like why?
we need to get in contact with Cardi.
Hey. I just got pussy ass Luna. Playing all these fish on Bell, Maine. That's my life now, dog.
We gonna get to Joburg. It's us two now. We family now.
Ew. Ew.
Like, share, and subscribe. This might go to the main channel or the vlog channel if I make one. I should wash my face, bro. My skin hella oily right now.
Yeah, that was the wackest sleep ever, not gonna lie. Like that sleep was whack,
There's a nigga here. Yeah. I'm coming content, just know that. I'm coming content for sure. Like actually subscribe. I'm a struggling YouTuber. Subscribe, give me ads. Subscribe, guys. Tell your friends. I need a haircut. I need to buy my skincare ingredients. Like, come on, guys, help me. Subscribe, share to your friends. Tell YouTube to give me ads. Hashtag Jason Dooley for ads.